up, Curls crew, and welcome again to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I am K Curls. Today I am going to be giving you guys a product review on Modesa products. This is not a sponsored video. This is just my honest opinion of how these products work for you. They are super duper cheap products that you can find at the dollar stores. It is the Modesa dryer and also the nail drill. So if you guys would like to see that, please stay tuned. First, we have the battery powered Modesa nail drill, and it comes with this purple pouch that is down here for you to secure your items and for you to travel with. It's a little travel pouch, and it does fit. You do have to play with it a little bit. You want to put the drill in the bag first, and then you want to take your container and put that inside of the bag, and then you can just close it up and it is all ready for you to go. But if you do it any other way, you're not going to be able to fit both of them in there, like if you try and squeeze them in at the exact same time. So you do have to just put this one in face down with the drill bit side at the bottom. Okay, so what we have in here are 5 drill bits. I'm going to open it up. It has this really nice acrylic like container so they can hold these in there so they don't get lost. And first we have a buffing tool, then we have our Emery tool, the shaping tool, a fine shaping tool, and the Cuticle Pusher. Okay, so I have actually seen a lot of people asking questions about this, like how to open it. It is a little bit tricky. All you have to literally do is just twist it and pull it open. You're just going to twist it in one direction and pull it open. It does take 2 AA batteries. You want to make sure you have good batteries. If you do have a cheaper brand of battery, it is not going to work that great. So I do have the Energizer batteries. If you do use something else, that's fine. You can use whatever ones you like. Just know whichever ones you buy, like if you buy the cheaper ones, it's not going to work as great. So you want to make sure you get a nice powerful battery, okay? So just put your batteries in. You're going to put them negative to positive side up. Okay, and then you're just going to take your drill top, and there is a little line that's on here. You may not see it. There's like a little arrow on there that's going to kind of give you a guide for where it is that you should line it up with. And there's also a line that's on the other side of the base piece. Okay, so just put that down, and then you can even just like play with it a little bit. But it's really easy to open and pop back in. You literally just have to twist it. Even if you don't line it up and don't see the lines that are on the other pieces, that's okay. You can just twist it and it's still going to work out for you, okay? So first I am going to start with the Emery tool. That is for smoothing and shaping your nails. So you are just going to take your drill bit and you're going to stick it directly into the top. There is like a little groove on the inside of it, so you're just going to make it fit in that groove, and then you're going to push it all the way down, okay? All the way down without any space in between it. Just push that all the way down, okay? So let's give it a assist. Okay. Wow, that is really powerful on your regular fingernail. Now a lot of people don't use these on your actual fingernails. A lot of people say that you should just stick with acrylics with using this, but if you are doing acrylics, most likely you're not going to be using this drill. I do have a video out from when I did the Kiss Dip powder gel, and I did use this to buff and shape that because it was a very thin layer of gel, but you know, so that would be easier for you to shape it. But if you're going to be using actual acrylics, you're going to get a power drill. You're more than likely going to need professional tools. This is not professional quality, but if you do know what you're doing, this will get you where you need it to go, okay? So this piece is nice and very easy to use, and it's very powerful. Let's move on to the buffing tool, which buffs your nails, and let's see how that goes. So you can put that directly over your nail. And let's see how good that puffs is. Actually, it didn't do too bad. Made it nice and shiny. Shiny. Okay, now for the next one we have the shaping and fine shaping tools. I don't really have to shape my nails. It's my own regular nails, but what I did do is I took the time to go ahead and put some gel polish on this nail, and there's some old dip powder gel on this fingernail here, okay? So I'm going to use this to try and see how powerful it is, so you guys can actually see how it drills on not just your plain finger. So this is going to be good for someone, wait. So I am going to use this on that fingernail that I have some leftover dip powder. I made sure that I put that on there for you guys. And this one here has some old gel polish on there. I want you guys to be able to see how that's going to remove. And I want you to see how clumpy this nail is, so you guys can see how clean it is. So I'm going to let you guys see how easily it removes all of this excess. I really want you guys to see it close up too. So you see that? You see the dust just coming off of it? It's really good. I'm going to finish filing this one nail. I don't want to file it too much because these are my natural nails. I just want to make sure that I get all of the glue off of my fingernail and any of that old debris that was left on there, because this isn't that healthy. It is going to strip and thin your nail, but it got all of the product off. Every single piece of the product came off, so that's a good thing, right? Alright, let's move on to the fine shaping tool, okay? And again, you guys are just going to stick it right into that groove and push it all the way down, okay? So I'm going to use the fine shaping tool on the one that had the old gel polish on there, so that you guys can see the difference between the regular and the fine shaping. Oops, I think I stuck that one in a little too far. There we go. Be careful not to stick it in too far because it will jam just like it did for me. Okay. Now, this one is just as powerful as the regular shaping tool. I just noticed that because this one was polished and the other one was a hardened gel, that this definitely works a lot better for your fingernails. It's not as hard as the other one. The other one is more of like drilling into your finger, and this one is kind of gliding over it. Okay. Yeah. So all of the old product and debris is off of my fingernails. And the last piece is the Cuticle Pusher. Now the Cuticle Pusher is for two different things, okay? The Cuticle Pusher is going to clean out your cuticles and push them back, but you can also use this to clean out underneath of your fingernail. So if you have any dirt in your nail, you can literally just take this tool and put it right underneath of the base of your fingernail, and it's just going to clean all of that dirt out. Sorry guys, I wish I had dirt in my nails. Actually I don't, because that's super gross, but I wish I had dirt for the purpose of this video. And that is amazing. Now let's try it for actually pushing back your cuticles, right? Now this Cuticle Pusher is something else, okay? This is really, really very powerful. I'm going to be really careful not to get too close to the edge of my cuticles, because you really don't want to clean your cuticles out dry. You want to make sure that you sit them for like 5 to 10 minutes in water but for the sake of this video, I am not going to do that. So overall, because this is a product that's $7, you get it from the dollar store, I really think that this is genuinely a really good product for you to be able to use if you do like your own DIY nails. This is definitely going to do the job for you that you need it to. And it's not going to be very difficult for you to use, but again, make sure that you have really good battery. Okay guys, so the second part is the Modesa battery powered nail dryer. Now I also used this in the other video when I did my nails, when I did that dip powder, and it definitely did not do anything great for drying gel or anything like that, but this is what it looks like. And I do have batteries in there now, so give it a listen. You hear that? Okay. So it does have like a pretty powerful fan. So it does feel like it definitely may do something when it comes to like polishing your nails. But when it comes to drying acrylics and things like that, this is not going to be that, because it's not a UV light. So it's not going to give you the same results as if you did have a UV light and you were drying gel polish. So what I did was I grabbed a gel polish that does not require UV, but it is gel. It's from LA Colors, and then I just have the LA Colors top and base coat. So I'm just going to paint my fingernail for you guys so you can get an idea for how long it's going to take your nails to dry in between polishing, so that you can go, right? That's the point of buying the nail dryer, so that it dries your nails quickly, right? So I'm just going to clean up my nail for a second. Really nice for you guys. So there's the polish, and let's just put it in, and we're going to see how long this is going to take to dry. Now again, I used this on a different video. I've actually used this multiple times, but every time I use this, I always use gel based products, so it didn't dry. Air drying actually was a little bit quicker than actually using this, so I'm kind of like on the fence. If you want to kind of stick your fingers under there as you're polishing another nail, just to get an idea for, you know, if it can dry a little bit, or possibly use it for your feet, because that's an idea. But using it for your nails, let's see how quickly it's going to dry under there. They have some really great products. They're super duper affordable. But the Modesa battery powered drill, amazing, absolutely perfect. But the dryer, not so much. And I didn't actually stop and show you guys what the batteries look like, but the battery pack is just at the bottom. You're going to click and open that. And I also had in here the same Energizer batteries, and they were also brand new. So I don't want you guys to think that I had cheap batteries and that's why this didn't work. I put in the same exact batteries that I used for the drill, and they're all brand new. So I just want to make sure you guys get an honest review. I don't want you to waste your money. If you do have these for kids, this is super fun for them to be able to play with. But again, I wouldn't use this to dry your nail unless you're thinking of drying them long term, because the gel polish genuinely doesn't take that much generally doesn't take that much time for it to dry. And it's kind of just better for you to be able to air dry it, or just use these for your feet or for the kids. Okay, so I hope you guys like these reviews, and if you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It will turn gray. Sorry guys. It will turn gray once you are subscribed, so that's how you'll know. And also make sure to hit that notification bell so you know exactly when all of my posts go up. And make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys have also used these products and how you have felt about using it. Because just because I had a problem with the dryer doesn't mean that you will have a problem with the dryer. Maybe it's a bad one. I don't know. Maybe it's a good one and I'm just not using it right. But anyway, let me know how you guys like this video. Make sure that you put something down in the comments. And I'll see you next time. Bye!